panahon ng Wi-Fi, iPad at makabagong teknolohiya, lahat ay mas madali. Ngunit sandali ba ito na pagpapalaki ng mga bata? Sabay-sabay ba kayong kumakain sa hapagkainan? Pinapatulog ka ba na nanay mo sa tabi niya? Nagsisimba ba kayo? Pinapalo ka ba pag may ginawa ka mali? Binibigyan ka ba ng regalo pag may ginawa kang tama? Minahal ka ba? Dapat naputi ka para in ka. Dapat may iPad ka para cool ka. Dapat may boyfriend ka o shota ka para pro ka. Oh my gosh, like you have to talk like this para like you can say na you're rich. Dapat nag-gym ka para masabing sexy ka. Napipili mo ba mga kaibigan mo? Yung iba seryosong-seryoso sa pag-aaral. Yung iba naman petics-petics lang. Yung iba naman nagka-cut. Yung iba mayabang, yung iba naman hindi. Yung iba tamad, yung iba naman hindi. Yung iba okay na yung bira ang hawak. Yung iba naman coke lang. Yung iba gusto hawak yun. Pero sa iba okay na yung lapis lang. Sa aspektong ito ng buhay, paminsan may kontrol ang mga magulang o ang mga nakakatanda. Pero syempre may mga batang mapilit. Kaya siguro, maraming nangyaring masama. Pero sa tingin ko, nasa bata yun eh. Kung ano yung mga pinapaniwalaan niya. At saka syempre, babalik at babalik ka sa tanong na, paano ka ba pinalaki, di ba? Humanistic yung hinahayaan mo lang kasi lahat naman naka-destiny. Behavioral naman, yun yung ginagalaw mo yung environment. Magtatanong tayo ngayon ng mga tao kung paano sila lumaki.
Normal naman, as in sa isang environment kasama parents ko, tsaka dalawang kuya, pati lola ko. Alagang-alaga naman ako.
Pareho lang actually. They have their good points kasi yung sinasabing humanistic, my parents naman let me, like play or do what I want. Just so long as I know the consequences. Parang, kung masyado ako nag-video games, kailangan ko balance rin sa aral. At the same time, meron na rin siyang behavioral aspect to it. Kasi, andun sila lagi. Kung kahit nung bata ako, babantayan ka ako sa supermarket, laging hawak kamay mo, or andun ka sa carts. Ako, sa sarili ko lang opinion, I think I turned out a good citizen of society by having both aspects done to me in my life.
Ngayon naman, kakausap tayo ng mga nakakatanda kung paano sila lumaki at paano naman sila nagpapalaki. Humanistic ba o behavioral?
Question whether I raised my kids in the humanistic way or behavioral way. I would think it's of both. I left them to grow up by themselves because I was doing other things. But at the same time, I needed to have some controls, behavioral controls, that would be in place simply because there are a lot of expectations in a kid. There are a lot of expectations in society and how kids would be brought up and how kids would behave in a society. So, given the fact that I would like my kids to grow up well-adjusted in a community, in a society, in the family, then expectedly I would have to teach them the norms of society and how to behave.
Siyempre, pinapakain ko sila ng maayos, tapos pag mali, siyempre, tinatama ko para pag lumaki sila, alam nilang tama at saka mali. Yun. Tapos, pinapaaral ko, gano'n. Tapos, pagdating sa bahay, sa eskwelahan, inaano ko yung mga assignment nila, Tapos, napakain ko, pinapaliguan, mga ganon. Pagkatapos na mag-aral, doon laro. Yun lang.
And the question with regard to child rearing is not a matter of whether one system is better than the other. Maybe point blank to what your value system is as a parent, as an adult. My husband and I firmly believe in the Lord. We firmly believe that we are supposed to rear our children in a Christian environment so that they are able to believe in God, love God, serve God. And that's exactly what we did. We believe that God created each of us in a different way. So we made it a point to look at the different personalities of our kids. My two boys, even when they were babies, already showed different personalities. And we accordingly responded to them. If in that sense, you can call that customized if you want to put that in the industrial world. But obviously, because they are babies, you create an environment that is safe for them. As the children grow up, we provide them with graduated liberties. Even as you provide them with graduated liberties, you tell them what is the scope of their decision making and the consequences of their choices. That way they learn to make decisions in a calculated way. They are trained to accept the consequences of their actions so that they know that whatever they do, they are supposed to be responsible for it. It's kind of tough. Even the sibling rivalry between the children has to be managed, but it is something that comes naturally in a family. So it's something that is expected. You, as a parent, you just have to manage it. More than anything else, as a parent would learn that if they want their children to grow up a particular way and to act later on in the future in a particular way, the first thing that they realize is that their children train them. To be able to show your children how you want them to act, you have to model it. In one sense, it's a controlled environment for the safety and security of the child, and this type of controlled environment always changes depending upon the stage of growth of the children in your home. And if you have multiple children, like I just had two, but nevertheless I had to make a distinction with the two of them. Once they see that there is a system, that there is a structure, things become clear. Stability is important to children, so consistency in how the key values in a family are dictated and how that is implemented as they grow up is key. The values can remain the same. God said, if you train up a child in the way he should go, when he is an adult, he will follow the same thing. So what is key to me is being able to give children a set of guidelines through which values are important to them, and then based on those values, they can make decisions on their own.
Humanistic o behavioral? Humanistic? Behavioral? Humanistic ba o behavioral? Humanistic? Behavioral? Humanistic o behavioral? Humanistic. Behavioral. Humanistic. Behavioral? Humanistic. Behavioral. Behavioral. Humanistic, behavioral. Humanistic. Humanistic. Maaari at maganda ang pagsamahin ng dalawa. Ngunit syempre, mas maganda kung may gabay na matatanggap ang bata. Anak, sana ganito, dito ka mag-ano, iwasan mo yung etc. etc. Kaysa naman sa, okay lang yan anak, naka-destiny kasi yan eh. Diba?